Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nurse Kate and I'm a bracket thoracic nurse. Today I'll be focusing on nurses. Yes, as a nurse entrepreneur, a lot of people have been asking me, Kate, what are the side hustles that Nigerian nurses can actually venture into? And today I'll be speaking on those side hustles that can bring us streams of income. As we all know, nurses we are one of the people that someone can easily pick, you know, on our brain and knowledge and all the things that we know. Okay, so by doing some of the things that will be telling us, it will enable you to monetize your skills, your experience as a nurse. So, what are the side hustles that Nigerian nurses can venture into? Number one of it is to start thinking of what you can do. Yes, because if you don't think about it, you will not do it. And for you to ask this question, that means you are no more comfortable with your salary alone. So that is the first thing to do. Your mindset have to shift from what you know to what you need to know. Number two is to now look into your specialty. What is my specialty as a nurse? What can I do? For example, hire me cardiothoracic nurse, and everything I'll be doing has been towards heart, coaching people on heart, educating people on heart, have a foundation on heart, and something, writing a book on heart. So you can also do that as a pediatric nurse. You can start teaching people how to take care of their children. As a midwife, you can start coaching people on pregnancy to delivery journey, which people are desperately looking for, how to manage themselves, especially as a first time mother. So look into that. Number two is, and number three is to now look into the internet. What are the things that can benefit you from internet? Okay, a lot of things that internet are given unto us now. You can sell your experience, your skills, your knowledge. So those experience that you know, those skills that you know, you can put them into book and start writing. For example, I've written a book called Living with Hypertension Made Easy. And if anybody asks me a question about hypertension, I refer them to my book to go and check my book and buy my book on seller. So you can write on what you know and sell it to people as well. Another thing that you can do to make money every day, to start the business, maybe selling of teaching or selling cake or selling drugs. Yes, you can start patent medicine store, okay, because you are a nurse. People will trust you more. They will know that you know better than any other person, so they will come to your store. So you can start and look into that. Look for money, start it and make money from it almost every day. Another thing, if you have the huge amount of money, then you can start what we call pharmacy business. Okay, so you can have a very retailed pharmacy and start making your money every day if you have the fund for that. But if you don't have fund for that, you can start freelancing. Okay, for people that sell medical equipment, you can start helping them to sell and make money from it. You can venture into scrub business. Notice that wearing scrub nowadays, so you can start making money from scrub. You can start selling crocs, those shoes that nurses wear in the hospital, or doctors, or the health workers. You can as well start selling lab coats for nurses, for doctors, that in need of lab coats. You can as well start writing ebooks, like I said, and put your ebook on the internet to make what we call passive income. Even when you are sleeping, you can start coaching business. You can start, writing courses. You can start training. Okay, gather some people, start training them on what you know has a loss. This will also bring money to you. And another thing that is very, very important, just that it might be a long time goal, is starting your YouTube channel. Yes, you can go into the internet and learn how to face camera and how to edit your video on your own and start a YouTube. YouTube is a good place to be. You can also start your non-governmental organization, your NGO, and start raising it small, small. Before you see it, you get perfect, everything will be, you'll be get to understand what is all it takes to have an NGO. And when you see yourself being very useful and impactful to your environment. You can start an online coaching, like I said, for a lot of people who want to travel, a lot of people, want to pass one particular exam or the other. If you have the knowledge, you can gather people together, collect your money, and start training them on that particular thing that they need to know. So these are the little things I can share. Maybe on part two, I'll also talk more about what are the business that you can do on internet, known as that can generate us a passive income. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my channel. If you are new here, please don't go without subscribing. Subscribe to my channel. This is a channel where we talk about heart health, nursing, and nursing care. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.